Is it coming down? Oh, there is the tram. Awesomeness. I'm gonna miss it though.
This is worse. This is worse.
Hey, you guys, what up? Demi.
This is worse. Oh my god.
Hi. What's up? Demi.
You are. Darci, look down.
Look at all them pools. They look so cool.
Look down, Darci. You're gonna fall.
Let's look at it this way. This stuff. Oh, I put my hand over the camera. That don't work. Try not to let go of the strip. Cool. Breathe. That sound you hear is Darci breathing heavily. Controlled breathing. She's having contractions.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna die.
You're very stubbly, Darci.
What?
You're very stubbly. I'm gonna die with hairy legs.
No, I'm not stubbly. You're stubbly.
No, I'm furry.
Dwayne.
Yeah, mostly awesomeness. Isn't this awesome?
No, it's not awesome.
We're coming in.
Why is it stopping? Why is it slowing down? I can't.
Look at all the people. They're looking at the hoedown.
Where?
Over here to the left a little. What are they doing? Eating or something there? They got like tables lined up.
I think they're eating. Hold on.
The hoes are going down.
Can you see the tram yet?
There it is.
Ober Gatlinburg. Hey!
I can see it, but I can't. There it is. That's it.
Yep, there it is.
I know.
Can't focus on it?
I can't focus on it.
Well, if we get past this big, huge tree, we should be fine.
Yeah. Big, huge tree. And it looks like you're a lot closer up going up than you are going down, don't you?
Yeah.
Look way higher. Oh, there it is. Ooh, awesome. Now that's awesome. We gotta go on that next time, Darci.
No, we don't need to go on anything.
Did you ever go on that before?
No. Do you think I'd be okay on that? I'd be crying.
You never been on that one once?
The Ober Gatlinburg one?
Yeah.
No, never. We've never been on that.
Yeah, you were on it when we were kids.
No, I've never gone on that.
Wow, sweet giblets.
Oh, I'm vibrating. I'm not picking it up.
Your phone? I hear it. Is it a song?
Yeah.
What is it? Hey, Demi.
My heart will go on.
Oh, God. Is that the one you paid for?
No, I didn't pay for any of them.
Did you make them yourself?
Yeah.
You downloaded them off the CDs?
Onto the computer on my computer.
Oh, did you? Awesome. You have different songs for different people?
Yep.
Who was that one?
I think this is my overall one. Probably that weird guy trying to call Nick.
Demi. Delani.
I don't care, we're almost there.
Now it looks awesome. Look at that. Oh, nice burp.
Well, that would suck if the bear did come out.
Roar. Spider monkey jumped out of the tree. Throwing his poo at you.
Are you recording that? That's disgusting.
I recorded the whole ride. I only got 830 minutes left. I gotta back some of this up.
You haven't backed it up once?
Yeah.
He's going through the thing.
I like the vibration.
Stop that. So annoying. Stop it.
Look, I see water. It's cool and clean. Can we look down?
It's not clean.
It's
We proved that.
urine filled.
Deers peed in it. Bears.
Yeah, so they just a bear poo in the woods? Well, yes, he does.
Huh?
Whoa.
What?
She's drunk already. She staggered off the side.
Who's this woman?
Yeah. Oh, let's see if we can see the Fabuloso Trucko. Trucko!
Where's her truck?
Oh, there it is. It's damaged and it's gotten towed away.
No, it hasn't. It's still there.
Isn't it awesome?
I see it. I can see my car from here.
Isn't that great?
No.
Now let's turn it on to Sundays. Ooh, Space Needle time.
Someone's going down.
Demi Delani.
Is that a snake? Is that a real snake?
Where? I don't know. No.
They did that on purpose.
Someone probably
freak
threw it
people
down
out.
from here.
Not there's two down there coiled perfectly. Someone probably did that. And went,
Demi. We're almost there. Coming through. Oh, it ain't that bad. Look at the birdhouse. You want that one, Delani?
bird crap on it.
There's bird crap on a birdhouse. How about that?
Okay, I'm ready.
Fabuloso.
Get off this crap hole.
Yeah. Score.
Not score.
Soar.
Yeah.
She's got it. Score.
Here. Wait for me.
Score. Score.
Okay, let's get all this crap out of my bag. Let's not.
That's awesome.
Let's not.